log into your WordPress account, go to appearance, go to themes. Here you will see this is the default theme, and if you want to add a theme you can go and add a new theme. Here you can search for a particular theme, just like you can see hello theme is here. If you want to install it, you can install it from here. And after installing, you need to activate this theme. So now the active theme is hello theme here, okay? Or if you have any theme files, then you can upload that file from here, okay? Upload a theme. You need to upload the theme, that file which you are having on your system, okay? Thanks for watching.